is Yang. I'm from China. My company is Wujiang Huifa company. We are doing this kind of job like almost 30 years. Our products basically working for jacket, functional products, pants, and outerwear like down jacket, ski, anything with functional. And we are working in this country, the business almost like 5 to 6 years. And the reason we still keeping going to this country is because this country have a good opportunity in the future. And this country is very beautiful, very nice country, and opportunity is everywhere. So in our case, we're gonna keep coming and keep working for Bangladesh people and for any customer from here. And also our brand is mainly working for Zara, Primark, Walmart, Expo, European company. Our products is mainly going to Japan, European, and North America. So hope we can get more opportunity from here and better going back. Okay, thank you.